Every second, our galaxy is moving, not drifting, not expanding, being pulled. Astronomers can measure the motion, they can see the direction, but not the source. So what is dragging the Milky Way through space? And why can't we see it? For decades, scientists believed the universe was expanding evenly in all directions, but something didn't fit. Galaxies near us were moving too fast, too deliberately, as if answering a summons. At the center of that motion is a vast gravitational anomaly, hidden, unobservable, yet powerful enough to command hundreds of thousands of galaxies. This is the story of the force pulling our galaxy into darkness. The mystery began in the 1970s. Astronomers mapping galaxy velocities noticed something strange. No matter where they looked nearby, galaxies were moving in roughly the same direction, not away from each other, together. Our own galactic neighborhood, called the local group, was racing through space at over 600 kilometers per second. But according to cosmological models, it shouldn't be. The evidence came from the oldest light in the universe, the cosmic microwave background, a faint afterglow from the Big Bang, perfectly uniform, unless you're moving, and we were moving fast. By measuring that distortion, astronomers traced our motion back to a single direction in the southern sky, straight into a region obscured by our own galaxy. They named it the Great Attractor. Here's the problem. The Great Attractor lies behind the densest part of the Milky Way, a region called the Zone of Avoidance. Dust, gas, radiation. Traditional telescopes couldn't see through it, so scientists were forced to investigate blind, mapping gravity instead of light, motion instead of sight. When they finally reconstructed the mass behind the curtain, it was far larger than expected, not a single object, but a massive concentration of galaxy clusters, enough mass to bend space-time, enough gravity to dominate an entire supercluster. But even then, it still wasn't enough. Something deeper was at work. The Great Attractor wasn't the final answer, it was a marker. Astronomers eventually realized our galaxy is part of a vast structure called the Laniakea supercluster, a gravitational basin, a cosmic watershed. Everything inside it is falling inward, not toward a single point, but toward a region where gravity quietly wins. The Great Attractor isn't a monster hiding in space. It's evidence of something more unsettling, that the universe is structured not by what we see, but by what we can't. Dark matter, invisible mass, gravitational architecture on scales too large to comprehend intuitively. Our galaxy isn't choosing its path, it's responding. We once believed the universe was symmetrical, predictable, balanced, but the Great Attractor tells a different story. One where motion comes before understanding, where forces act without revealing themselves, and where our entire galaxy is already en route to a destination we will never reach in our lifetime. The Milky Way is moving into darkness.